Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If allowed by your state, you can use Excel to track the balance in an IOLTA account as well as create individual client ledgers that list all IOLTA transactions. This information can then be copied to a new workbook and modified as needed in order to comply with many states' IOLTA reporting requirements. If you are skilled in using Excel, you will no doubt be able to create the needed worksheets within a workbook that will allow you to track and then report on the IOLTA account for your state. However, we have also included a simple IOLTA management template that you can use to track IOLTA account funds within Excel if you prefer. You can modify this template as needed in order to track your IOLTA account information for your state. In the next lesson, we will examine using the simple IOLTA template to track the accounting data required for IOLTA reporting.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.